Crikey, I see something hiding on the horizon. There's clearly something somewhere around here. I see the elusive and wily sober construction worker. It's gonna be nearly impossible to sneak up on him, and I'm gonna have to jam my finger up his bum to determine his sex. There's signs of him all over. Sunflower seeds discarded. Wait, I see something. Moving in now. Ah, they're easy to spook. We got photo one. Look at him. Look at him scurry. Look at him scurry. I'm gonna have to wrestle him down now. Ah! Oh, my heart.